Hi there. Today we're going to climb Ben Ledi. It's not on the nose, so hopefully it won't be quite as bad as normal, but it's a nice day, so fingers crossed we get some good views. I'm going to test a little stove that I bought when I get to the top, and I'll be posting a separate video of a sort of mini review of that. So look for that. And if you enjoy the video, hopefully it's going to be a bit shorter this time. It isn't going to run for the usual 40 minutes. It's going to be a quick video. If you enjoy it, give me a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe. That'd be perfect. Right, see you at the top. Hi everybody, here we are again. Today we're at Ben Ledi. Let's like change of plans. I had originally planned to do Ben Dane, but I've had quite a lot of snow of late, more snow than I had last weekend. And Ben Dane supposedly isn't a very easy road to do, even in good weather, so I thought, what is the point of taking the chance? I put a post up on a couple of the Facebook groups with pretty much advised not to do it until at least I get an ice axe and crampons. So I thought we'd come here instead. It's only a 45-minute drive from my house, so it's quite close and easy to get to. And I've been really lucky so far. The weather's absolutely cracking. I don't know what the snowy conditions are going to be like, but we'll find out as we climb. Oh. I'm going to try and keep this video a bit shorter. I've got a big massive habit of rambling on for ages to make them 40 minutes long. This is going to be hopefully around 15 minutes, cut shorter and more pacey. Right, let's beast on and get this done. Phone clinking again, so annoying. I must go and turn that off. Seems a very, very popular hill. I got here for 9 o'clock in the morning. It's already, car park was absolutely full. I've had to park on a corner basically with a wee car. I knew it would be like busy, but normally most of the hills I do don't get busy till sort of 8, 9, 12 at 10, 11, 12. I'm normally heading home before the car parks get busy, but this is obviously very popular. So hopefully when I get back my car's still there. To be honest with you, I hadn't even given any thought to buying crampons etc, because I've never really been in icy conditions. I've been in snowy conditions. Like last week's hill never really got snowy until the last half an hour. At that point it wasn't even that steep, so it was just like trudging through deep snow. I've never actually climbed a steep mountain with icy conditions. It's not looking like this one's going to be too bad. Fingers crossed. Oh. Jacket's open. It's warm today. Can never ever get it right. You're used to me. Probably used to me saying that now. So warm. Very, very close to it. Steep too. Such fun. I've got chatting to a couple of people. It turns out I think everybody's came overdressed and feeling the closeness of it. I'm certainly feeling hot over a pair of shorts right now. The jacket may have to come off, or at least one t-shirt. Oof, that was quite slippy slidey. Will definitely be a case of poles out, heading back, and definitely order crampons this week for any future climbs Well, the selfie stick's away and we've gone back to being handheld. Just too slidey. Got the poles out. See if we got on. Let's see if we're probably about under halfway there. Still climbing and climbing. Really slidey, so it's going to be a slow descent, I think. So using handheld mode. I must be going slow, so I'm getting caught up in this calendar over there. And people are catching up with me, so I must have taken my time. It is definitely a walk you could do with crampons for. It make it so much easier and faster. And shorts on too. I've been told that as you go up, the floor gets a lot deeper, a lot easier to traverse. And I'm quite happy to say that almost everybody, bar one person that's passed me, which has been quite a lot of people, none have had like crampons on. So, but that's my definite next purchase, because the boy who just passed me wearing them was like a steam engine, just flew by me. So it obviously gives you a lot much better grip. It would be perfect here, for sure. That's what's getting bought next. It's certainly a good hill though. Amazing views. Pretty much as far as I can see. Lovely. I'm definitely going to invest in some kind of better photograph equipment, a bit of second-hand GoPro or something like that. Something to make it a bit, so I'm not relying on my phone. Obviously my phone is my kind of lifeline, as well as my GPS, etc. So a wee camera would be handy. Something that would actually like last the whole day without killing the batteries. So maybe in the next month or so, or maybe going to have a week or two off from climbing mountains and then come back with a better way of recording stuff. We shall see. It looks like we're heading towards the top now. Can't see there being anything beyond that. Oh, it's getting a bit windier too, which is amazing, because I was totally overheating. Still climbing, slowly and surely, slippity sliding all over the shop. Getting windy here too, surprise, surprise. I don't think there's far to go now, I hope. Yeah, the stick's back out. The snow's pretty deep now, so it should be quite easy going. And we're nearly at the top. Don't know how it's going to be getting back. Quite on marsh most of the way probably. Nice and up there. Getting there though. Taking quite a long time. I thought it would be quite quick, but it's amazing how slow you walk in slidey snow. Hopefully the last little bit isn't too steep since I took both my poles away. Just my luck, it doesn't look too bad, it's a lot of deep snow, so it should be okay. Here we go for the last little bit, I think. I definitely need to turn off phone notifications etc, because I think they mess up the Bluetooth or something, because a couple of times my video's cut out. I don't know how to do it down to that, I think. See, maybe. you see it? There, getting close, you can feel it. It's all been worth it, I think. So put it in reverse, reverse, touching over the trick point. Wow, you see these views. There she is. Let's look forward to the back side, head towards it. Here she comes. Quickly felt. And boom! We're done. Wow. I don't think it gets much better than this. I probably shouldn't have left the cup sitting in the freezing snow, which kind of chilled the cup totally, which is taken slightly. It's still hot, but like it's not burning hot. I think I should have kept the cup on the grass instead. It's not bad, it's a lot hotter than it was last week, but I can hardly touch the mug, so it's definitely hot. Well worth the money. Took about, what, 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes in the freezing cold to boil the water. Oh, that's good. I have to say, my little stove worked a treat. I will finish the review when I get home, stitch it all together and put it up on YouTube for folk to see, but aye, for the money, perfect. We've probably done enough for 3 cups of tea or coffee. Well, it was really fast. There wasn't any wind, mind you, which is probably helped it burn well faster, but yeah, really good. Chuffed at that. Probably about halfway now. Heading back. The worst of the snow bits behind us. That wasn't the easiest coming down that. At least I'm getting warmed up again because it was getting quite cold. About a half an hour to an hour back to the car. And done. Home for lunch. Still coming down. Can't be far now, surely. Slipping and sliding all the way. Not fell yet though. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Oh well, nearly back. That was a good one today. Good weather. It's amazing what you can do if you get up in the middle of the night and get in your car and drive for an hour. I said it before, if anybody ever wants to come with me, any of my friends that who maybe happen to watch these videos, you're more than welcome, but the only killer is I do get up at like 5 AM in the morning. I come and get them done and get back home for lunchtime or even sometimes before that, and then they can get out and do other stuff. So if you're ever sitting bored and fancy joining me, just give me a shout and you can come along. Ooh, I always feel it in my right big toe. I think it's getting buffered against the front of my boot. Not quite sure why. I made sure this morning before I left that my toenails were all cut really short. I always seem to get that, and it hurts for a couple of days afterwards. Yeah, I don't understand it. Oh, I can almost see the car. So, hopefully the car's still there. I don't know where, as I said, there's been so many people have passed me on the way up and the way down. I haven't got a clue where any of them have parked because the car park was totally full. So, maybe they've parked on the edge, a bit like me. Who knows, we'll find out in a minute. Hey, The car park is in sight. Can't see my car right enough, but the car park is in sight. Ooh, ooh. I think they really need to make more parking spaces here. Hey, and we're back. That was a really good climb. One day I will learn how to turn these notices off so it doesn't affect my recording. Yeah, good climb, quite slidey. Definitely need to go and buy crampons for the next trip out. Far too slidey. But we made it. I never fell once. So if you made it to the end, well done. Congratulations. And we'll hopefully see you next time. Brilliant. Bye.